This is the Vice Facts, and today we are gonna know some interesting cosmic facts, so let's begin. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the sun and the earth, blocking the sun's light and casting a shadow on the earth. This happens because the moon's orbit is tilted relative to the earth's orbit, and occasionally the moon passes directly in front of the sun as viewed from earth. The result is a temporary darkening of the sky as the moon blocks the sun's light. There are different types of solar eclipses depending on the alignment of the sun, moon, and earth, including total, partial, and annular eclipses. Upcoming solar eclipse on April 20, 2023 is a significant event for astronomy enthusiasts and anyone interested in natural phenomena. A solar eclipse is a rare event that occurs when the moon passes in front of the sun and casts a shadow on the earth. The eclipse on April 20, 2023 is particularly noteworthy because it is expected to be visible in several countries, including the United States, Canada, and Mexico. It will be an annular solar eclipse, which means that the moon will not completely cover the sun, leaving a ring of fire visible around the edges. This type of eclipse is less common than total eclipses and offers a unique opportunity for observation and study. The eclipse will occur in the late morning to early afternoon, depending on location, and is expected to last for several minutes. Many people will make plans to view the eclipse safely and enjoy this rare and awe-inspiring event. The eclipse is significant for several reasons. Firstly, it will be an annular solar eclipse, which is a relatively rare type of eclipse where the moon is not quite close enough to the earth to completely block out the sun, creating a ring of fire effect around the moon. This type of eclipse only happens a few times a year and is a unique opportunity for observation and study. Secondly, the eclipse will be visible from several countries, including the United States, Canada, and Mexico, as well as parts of Central and South America. This means that many people will have the opportunity to witness this rare astronomical event firsthand. Thirdly, solar eclipses have cultural and historical significance in many cultures around the world. Throughout history, people have interpreted eclipses as omens or symbols of change, and they have been viewed with awe and wonder by many civilizations. The eclipse of April 20, 2023 is a chance to appreciate this shared cultural heritage and to learn more about how different cultures have interpreted eclipses over time. Finally, solar eclipses are important to study for scientific reasons. They offer opportunities to learn more about the sun, the moon, and the earth, as well as to study how these three celestial bodies interact with one another. By observing solar eclipses, scientists can learn more about the structure of the sun, the composition of the moon, and the ways in which these bodies affect our planet. The solar eclipse on April 20, 2023 will take place in the Northern Hemisphere and will be visible from several countries, including the United States, Canada, and Mexico, as well as parts of Central and South America. The eclipse will start in the eastern Pacific Ocean and will travel across North America before ending in the Atlantic Ocean. The path of totality, where the eclipse will be visible in its entirety, will be relatively narrow, passing through parts of the western United States, including California, Nevada, and Utah, before moving eastward through the central and eastern parts of the country, including Texas, Oklahoma, and Missouri. The exact date and time of the eclipse will vary depending on location. In general, the eclipse will take place in the late morning to early afternoon, with the exact time of maximum eclipse varying depending on location. For example, in Los Angeles, California, the eclipse will begin at 9:08 a.m. local time, with maximum eclipse occurring at 10:28 a.m., and the eclipse ending at 11:49 a.m. In New York City, the eclipse will begin at 1:22 p.m. local time, with maximum eclipse occurring at 2:39 p.m., and the eclipse ending at 3:54 p.m. It is important to note that viewing the eclipse safely is crucial to protect your eyes from damage. Looking directly at the sun during an eclipse can be extremely dangerous and can cause permanent eye damage or blindness. The sun emits an enormous amount of light and heat, including harmful ultraviolet radiation that can cause severe damage to the retina of the eye. The retina is the part of the eye that detects light and sends signals to the brain to form images. When the retina is exposed to too much light, especially during an eclipse when the sun is partially or fully blocked, it can become damaged and lead to vision loss. It is essential to use special eclipse glasses or other viewing devices to view a solar eclipse safely. These glasses are designed to filter out harmful ultraviolet and infrared radiation, allowing you to view the eclipse without risking damage to your eyes. Regular sunglasses or other types of eyewear are not sufficient for viewing a solar eclipse, as they do not provide adequate protection from the harmful radiation emitted by the sun. It is also important to note that the dangers of looking at the sun during an eclipse are not limited to the actual event itself. Before and after the eclipse, the sun can still emit harmful radiation that can damage your eyes. Therefore, it is essential to follow safe viewing practices during the entire eclipse period. In short, looking directly at the sun during a solar eclipse can cause permanent eye damage or blindness. Using special eclipse glasses or other viewing devices designed to filter out harmful radiation is crucial to protect your eyes and enjoy this rare astronomical event safely. While it is important to take the dangers of looking directly at the sun during an eclipse seriously, it is also important to note that a solar eclipse is a unique and rare astronomical event that can be a once-in-a-lifetime experience. With proper precautions and safe viewing practices, anyone can safely enjoy the eclipse and witness this remarkable natural phenomenon. To view the eclipse safely, it is recommended that you use special eclipse glasses or other viewing devices designed to filter out harmful ultraviolet and infrared radiation. These glasses are widely available and can be purchased from reputable vendors online or in stores. It is important to make sure that the glasses or other viewing devices you use are certified to meet the international safety standards for eclipse viewing. In addition to using proper viewing equipment, it is also important to choose a safe and suitable location to watch the eclipse. Ideally, you should be in a location with a clear view of the sun and without any obstructions, such as tall buildings or trees. You should also make sure that you are not standing on an unstable surface or in a location where you could accidentally fall or be injured. By taking these precautions and following safe viewing practices, you can safely witness the beauty and wonder of a solar eclipse. This rare astronomical event offers a unique opportunity to appreciate the majesty and complexity of our universe and to connect with people all around the world who share an interest in science, astronomy, and the natural world. So, make sure to mark your calendars and join millions of people around the world in safely viewing and enjoying this unforgettable experience. That's all in this video. We'll be back with another interesting topic, so do subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notifications.